A powerful winter storm slammed into Michigan's Upper Peninsula and northern regions between March 15th and 16th, bringing serious disruptions across the area. Some locations saw more than 3 feet of snow, while wind speeds pushed close to 70 miles per hour. Schools were forced to shut down, and tens of thousands of residents, somewhere between 10,000 and 26,000 people, were left without electricity. Several highways were also closed due to dangerous conditions. Oh man, cars are hitting each other. I'm just glad no one's sliding into me. I'm still kind of in shock right now. The storm started early Sunday morning and continued into Monday, leaving parts of the Upper Peninsula completely buried under massive amounts of snow. According to the National Weather Service, snowfall rates reached anywhere from half an inch to 2 inches per hour. Combined with intense winds, visibility dropped to almost zero, making travel extremely dangerous. Residents across northern Michigan said they hadn't seen anything like this in years. Videos shared online from places like Marquette and Herman showed people opening their front doors only to find a solid wall of snow nearly reaching the top of the doorway. These clips quickly spread across social media, showing just how extreme the snowfall really was. The Upper Peninsula took the hardest hit. By 8 a.m. Monday, the highest recorded snowfall was about 36 inches in Herman. A nearby observation station in Baraga County confirmed similar totals, reporting that nearly 34 inches fell in just 24 hours. We can't even get out. Remember the table and chairs we had out here? Where did they go? Wow, what a blizzard. There's the neighbor's house. Couldn't even see it earlier. And that's along the side of our house. In other areas, the numbers were just as intense. Spalding in Menominee County recorded around 35 inches of snow. The southeastern part of Forest Lake in Alger County saw nearly 32 inches by early Monday morning. And in the National Mine area of Marquette County, snowfall totals reached about 30 inches. This storm left a massive impact across the region, turning everyday life into a struggle against extreme winter conditions. In addition to the extreme totals, about 16.5 inches of snow were recorded in Harbor Springs, while areas near Traverse City saw just over 13 inches. Along the Lake Superior shoreline, conditions became so severe that visibility dropped to zero. Because of this, a 20-mile stretch of highway had to be shut down early Monday morning. The Michigan Department of Transportation announced that M28 between Cogum Road and M94 in Alger and Marquette counties was completely closed in both directions.
Finally, the smart way. That tiny plow truck wasn't doing shit.
Oh boy. Oh my goodness. The Marquette County Sheriff's Office urged residents to stay off the roads unless it was absolutely necessary. They warned that both moving vehicles and those stuck on the road were slowing down snow removal efforts. Officials also advised that if travel couldn't be avoided, drivers should carry a winter survival kit at all times. If you do get stranded, stay inside your vehicle and call 911, the office emphasized. This storm didn't just impact Michigan. Blizzard warnings were also issued across southern Minnesota, northwestern Illinois, and large parts of Wisconsin. The severe weather caused major disruptions to travel nationwide, with more than 2,600 flights canceled. One of the most widespread effects of the storm was the strain it placed on the power grid. By Monday afternoon, at least 129,000 people across Michigan were dealing with power outages. By Monday night, that number had dropped slightly to around 126,000, according to outage reports. But with freezing temperatures, being without power made the situation even tougher.
Ooh, doggy.
Yeah. The National Weather Service pointed out that the combination of bitter cold and strong winds could slow down efforts to restore electricity. Local officials in Roscommon County declared a state of emergency on Monday after nearly 87% of residents lost power. The storm also forced widespread closures. Across northern Michigan and the Upper Peninsula, heavy snow and powerful winds led many schools to shut down on Monday. In some places, classes for Tuesday were already canceled ahead of time as a precaution. And it wasn't just schools, many businesses decided to close their doors as well. A meteorologist from the National Weather Service in Gaylord explained that this storm developed from a large, well-organized system that intensified over the Great Lakes region. He explained that the system brought steady to heavy snowfall across much of the region, along with a stretch of freezing rain near the southern edge. Another meteorologist based in Gaylord said the storm could end up setting new records. She added that some parts of the Upper Peninsula that were already hit hard could still pick up another 3 to 6 inches of snow. No way! By Tuesday morning, lake-effect snow and strong winds across Michigan had started to ease. But even with the worst of the storm passing, travel was still dangerous in areas downwind of the Great Lakes. Forecasters said an additional 1 to 5 inches of snow was expected in Alger County and locations east of Lake Superior. Meanwhile, northwestern Michigan could see another 1 to 2 inches. Oh my gosh! Finally, they're doing it the smart way. That tiny plow truck wasn't doing much. Winter weather advisories remained in place across much of northern and western Michigan through Tuesday morning. Warnings for icy conditions were expected to continue into the afternoon. As a high-pressure system moved in from the west, snowfall was expected to gradually taper off through the day, along with the lake-effect snow. If you liked the analysis in this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. And finally, if you found this report helpful, please hit the like button. This helps us beat the algorithm and ensures this truth reaches more people who need to hear it. Thank you for watching.